we go. Backing down the ramp. First time. I hope it floats. I hope it turns on. If it does. We got it started up right away. Like the second or third try. Not bad, huh? Starter fluid. That helped. It was great. We're moving.
It still floats. And it started.
It's all working. Our GPS is working too. It shows exactly where we are. That's pretty cool.
They're looking for weights. I don't know if I got it, honestly. I came down these stairs right here to get my sunglasses, and I fell, clunk, 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 and I sprained my ankle. Watch it.
I've got a big bruise. I've got a swollen ankle. So I've been sitting here in the boat, just hanging out. All right, this is the second boat ramp that we're trying today, because the first boat ramp, we couldn't get the boat out, and look at that. No problem. I think the first boat ramp we were at was just not very well built.